Ka Kongres kala Ther ekatanat Meecl daka bakno bakala penyaj baklai ka pisa tengka hakar kom tungkam tungjam bat ki weki kam jongkane ka company sorkar unong aikitin ka Kongres uzenet sangma habakran shikilat patai kubor mentakasngi ula keno bakani ka sorkar kala le ek babakla jur haka bakala shu tungkam sop daka linti be an hadu shispa arpo pratli ki kam skill multitasking Khlem jing Pynbna ula dawaru baka sorkar ka deban wengno eka chairperson kom managing director ka Meecl ka kong aldia nikla ka badai tang ka officer khna ompat don jing tibet namar yakani ka kam deban bad de ki officer bala don jing tibet ki badan haka kerdan principal secretary ne additional chief secretary ne chief secretary ula keno baka jingle turmur ka ne ka sorkar lang baki kwan mentoy kala pendu no eka pisa ka Meecl omdu nai ka shipoklur haka shibenai banti benya ikini ki kam pendan kam bakala ka sorkar jung katanat boarding ya ka pisa Kajing tungkam bat kiweki kam bean uzenet uladawan naga sorkar bakadai ban IT ban tokit daga kenhuan balai loj.
निर्भर भारत अभियान स्कीम now the question is the company going to get benefit out of this, and if the company is not getting benefit out of this, then who is getting benefit? The question arises. The lenders who are lending the loan, they are benefited because they are getting back their money with interest, and the central PSUs like Meecl, NTPC, OTPC, they will be benefited because they are getting their dues cleared. To increase the efficiency of the holding company, that is Meecl, and try to make it self-sustainable. To promote our own entrepreneurs, our own indigenous contractors. What's the reason behind in hurriedly allotting during the holidays time, during December, during the month of December, and award the work at 51% above, 71% above to them? 76 post.
July
2020. That is 76 post. And on 26 June. 26 June. It was first. 26 June 2020, 52 posts they have appointed, and 1st July 2020 they have appointed 76 posts. No advertisement was done. All 128 who were appointed were from Khasi category. So it is very, very injustice. So I want these irregularities and anomalies to be investigated immediately, and the people, whoever it is, who is responsible to be guilty, should be booked under the relevant section of the law of the land. Independent and befitting to give justice to the people of the state.
Would you demand for a CBI inquiry?
CBI, ultimately it may be CBI. If it is CBI, that is the best. It will be independent inquiry.